Let's see.
A is for alligator chomping with a grin. B is for bear doing flips in the bin. C is for cat with a dancing tail. D is for dog who delivers the mail. E is for elephant blowing his horn. F is for fox in a party uniform. G is for giraffe standing so tall. H is for hippo with a big beach ball. A, B, C, come dance with me at the animal party, wild and free. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Sing with the letters to the beat. A is for iguana sliding on the floor. J is for jaguar who's ready to roar. K is for kangaroo bouncing in line. L is for lion with the mane so fine. M is for monkey swinging from a rope. N is for narwhal sliding down the slope. O is for owl with the hood so bright. P is for penguin in the disco light. A, B, C, come dance with me at the animal party, wild and free. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Sing with the letters to the beat. Q is for quail with a quiet little song. R is for rabbit hopping all day long. S is for snake with a slithery slide. T is for tiger on a party ride. U is for urchin rolling with glee. V is for vulture flying over the sea. W is for whale with the watery spray. X is for x-ray fish joining the play. Y is for yak in a yellow hat. Z is for zebra, and that is that.